Ha kamit up yaw snam thamai kumalai phongut kibriu kelangam ha ka tha ha ka ba la panlong ha Crinoline swimming pool Shillong kani ka dei ka sin ka ba arphun yaw ba ka forever yang kala panlong ka thong jong kani ka jing up yaw snam thamai ban ngam ha ka tha kalong ban ai men sim ya ki tu ki weipat kibriu ki badon ha ka jing ting ba kinang treisidam ban lait na kini ka jing he ba ki kia kendu habai keren badu ba Michael sim ulaong ba kathong jong kani ka jingam ha kani ka tha ban ap yo snem thamai kalong ban penklan ya ka immune system jong kamet bat kumjuru ban pelat ya kita ki jingmut jing perkhan ki bala te song ha ka jing im jungi ki breu ha kani ka sngi kinong isimenta kilong nadu gitu ki bala rangba bat kumjuru ki samla ki badon ya kata kathong bakin ya simbanta ban ngam ha kani ka tha ka forever young club midnight bath la ni kani ka jingam ha ka tha ha ka por minmit kalalong kum ka benta ka ba man lau snem ki jupen long hanong ba Shillong
This midnight swim started 27 years back, and the objective of the swim is to encourage people to start to welcome the new year from the very first second in a very sober way, and praying to the Almighty to give us the strength to face the challenges of the new year. So that is basically this time I think there are more than 30.
And which year is the most highest participant that you have ever seen in this 27th?
No, I think this year is the highest.
This year.
Yeah, we started off with just 8 or 10 of us, but now it's increasing every year.
This is done by your individual club, yeah? They organize.
No, by the Forever Young.
Forever Young.
Yeah.
Will you organize again like this kind of event in the future?
Yes. And to make the event more challenging, we are putting ice blocks. So every year we're increasing by 1 ton. So she is the youngest participant. So yeah.
Mula pila yok kali kalau di simentalang mendak terbit.
Kacing mutjong ate sama mo ngi bero ngi dan kam hi ki mo ngi happen face ngi challenges ha kacing jangi te to welcome this new year te nga ha kacing mutjong ate long bangi de bantur shaprang mo ki bero swaga jing snam te ngi de ban long nginde kin ban ran ge ni ki ki banwan ha ka jing em jangi hending de bantu ngin nyat de chakman
Hinangnya ya si benda ai kum kini ki event kini ki sinema.
hoi